Okay, so this is the little power center for the van. Up here we can see the solar controller. Over here we have the fuses. So here anything that runs off 12 volt goes through these fuses. You can see I started to label them, but then I noticed later on that don't need to, because if something blows, a little red light next to it will come up. So if you find that you have no power and that's 12 volt, come in here, have a look on this panel, and if any of these red lights are illuminated, that means that fuse has been has blown. I have spare fuses down here. If you're free camping, you don't have mains water pressure, this is the monitor for the water levels in both the tanks. To check it, just press this button here and they will light up. Obviously that's indicating that they're both full there. Okay, if you're connected to mains 240 volt power, we can use this switch here for the hot water. If you don't have mains power, the switch over here on the left hand side is for gas. So just flick that on and it will light and then it'll ignite. Obviously we can't use the hot water service, which is located underneath the bed, unless I'm going to make sure we have water in there pretty much. Okay, so that's that. I'm on mains power right now, so I don't need to use that. The other thing is if you don't have mains water pressure, this switch here is for the water pump. So if you turn that on, you'll probably hear it. Not enough pressure. Basically that's the 12 volt pump, and that'll run all of the water inside the van for you. It's just the main incoming fuse. And then here is a low voltage dropout. So basically if the battery voltage gets down below, I think it's like 11 volts or something like that, 11.5 volts, this will cut out until the power is restored and the battery volts are high enough, and then it will just automatically reset. Feel free to give me a call if you have any questions about this, guys.